Hi guys, my name is Jeff. Last week I was singing a beautiful song to my girlfriend in my new house, and she was so happy even though she was sick because of the COVID. What I was using is tablet holder from Elitehood. Let me show you. It's a well-made aluminum tablet holder, so it's durable, super durable. It can last for so long. Okay, once you get these pieces, you need to pay attention. There's a line here. If there's a line here, or there's a line here, then you gotta screw this little component. Once you screw it, you are good to go. No matter you mount it to this side or to the lower side, that is no problem. Okay, for example, if you're mounted to the higher side, now you can put your iPad right there, which is great because it can line up with your eye, so you can have a super amazing viewing of the lyrics. Now you're good to go. Are you ready? What songs do you want to sing? Comment down below. My name is Jeff. I'll see you next time.